What are the pros and cons of dual citizenship? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our offices in St. Louis, San Diego, and Washington, D.C. We have clients who sometimes ask us, Jim, what's going to happen when I get my U.S. citizenship to my old country citizenship? Now, of course, when you go through the naturalization process, you go to your naturalization interview, and as part of that interview, you promise that when you go through the naturalization ceremony, that you will give up any allegiance or loyalty to your former home country. You'll actually swear under oath that you will give up your allegiance to that home country and that you will no longer be a citizen only of that country, that you're becoming a U.S. citizen. And a lot of people get confused about this. Well, does this mean that I can have dual citizenship? Now, the thing that you have to understand about citizenship and becoming a U.S. citizen is you need to really think long and hard about doing this. Obviously, it's a huge step to become a U.S. citizen. Many lawful permanent residents are excited about that, but there are consequences to that decision. Now, those consequences change country by country. Now, for the first thing you need to know is that when you become a U.S. citizen, you can then get a U.S. passport. The U.S. government believes that you should only use that U.S. passport and that you shouldn't use your foreign passport. Now, I went to a naturalization ceremony and they were answering questions before the ceremony began, and they frankly admitted that they don't have the resources to figure out who's not using their U.S. passport or not, who's using their foreign passport. So most people that I know do maintain U.S. citizenship and a U.S. passport and a passport from their home country. But there are countries that make you give up your citizenship of your former country, or at least stop using your passport. Things can get more complicated. I have a good friend and client who became a U.S. citizen, and she was from India, and because she became a U.S. citizen, the next time she wanted to go to India, she had to actually get a visit visa to India as if she were a United States citizen originally. In other words, that she had never even been an Indian citizen. So you need to think this through. This is not something that our office gets that involved in. Our job is to get people their U.S. citizenship, and we don't have the resources or the understanding of foreign countries' laws as it relates to naturalization. So you're going to want to think it through. The United States does not recognize dual citizenship for most instances. I do believe that there's an exception for citizens of Israel, that you can have citizenship in both countries. But for the most part, the United States considers you to be a U.S. citizen and a U.S. citizen only. If you have questions about this, or if you're confused by this, feel free to give us a call at 314-961-8200. You can email us info@hackinglawpractice.com. Be sure to join us in our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. If you like this video, we ask that you please share it out on social, that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that you join us usually on Tuesdays and Thursdays at noon Central at the Immigration Answers Show, where we answer as many of your immigration law related questions as possible. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.